In this video of FreeCAD series, I'm going to talk about grid, how we can use it, what could be its use case scenario, and how we can customize it. A simple but powerful tool that helps you sketch faster, cleaner, especially when you are designing something without any fixed dimension. It helps you to align geometry, maintain spacing, and visualize distance. And if you already might be coming from a 2D software such as AutoCAD, you already might know the grid. It is more like your virtual graph paper, just like, we try to find solution using graph. Here also, we are using grid to kind of create things faster. Now here you can already see in my screen, I am already in Sketcher mode. Now let me show you how we can activate grid. One way, or the simplest one, is easily you can go here in toolbar and simply click here on toggle grid. As soon as you toggle it in, here you can see our whole active area is now have grid layout. Now let's click here on this down arrow that gonna give you option to further customize it. For example, spacing here. So let me make it 50. So as we increase the spacing now if I try to plot something here, you will see it have got like 50 mm of grid length. Now whenever we work in this kind of environment, we sometimes also want that our line or whatever we are drawing should also snap on the grid. That we can enable by going the next option to it, which is snap to grid. So let's click here on snap to grid, and now again let me try plotting a line. So here you can see it is snapping to the grid, and we are exactly pointing our line segment to the point of grid. So this way actually you can even draw more accurate shapes without any approximation. For example, let's say I would like to draw a line of width 40 mm, and since I have enabled snap to grid, so now here you can see how precise I am. I mean, I am exactly able to draw the shape of exactly the length that I couldn't able to achieve without enabling the grid layout. Okay. Now, by any mean, if you do not see the grid options here, you can also go here in edit preferences and then go to sketch, and then here also you're gonna see the grid settings available. Now here also you can increase or decrease spacing, and here we also can see the pixel size threshold and further option to customize the line pattern, line color, grid line color, and so on. Now let me click OK. So in this way guys, we can customize our grid. Grid can be really very helpful when we want to draw something which is like in approximation, where sometime we do not know how much exactly it needs to be, the size of shape need to be, but still we are following kind of parametric approach. So in this way guys, you can form your shape utilizing grid layout. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam, as in this channel not only you're gonna see the entire series of FreeCAD, but you will also find tutorial related to other engineering topics. And I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.